Sir Isaac Newton was known as a famous English mathematician and physicist in the 1600s. He is known for discovering the three laws of motion: the law of inertia, the law of force and acceleration, and the law of action-reaction, also known as Newton's first, second, and third law of motion. Today we will be focusing on the law of force and acceleration. But what is force? What is acceleration? Well, force is a simple push or pull of an object, making it move forwards, backwards, right, or left. Acceleration is the change in velocity or speed of this said object. It changes the speed, going slower or faster, and even changes the direction the said object is going. So, here's an example. Let's take a skateboard. Now, the second law of motion says that the acceleration is dependent on two variables: the net force and the mass. This object, the skateboard, has mass. My foot is going to be known as the net force because it's applying force by pushing the skateboard. So, simple push makes the skateboard go. Another push makes it come back to me. Now, let's add more mass. So, how are we going to do that? I have here a 35-pound dumbbell, adding more mass to the skateboard's base mass of just the skateboard. It'll take more force of my foot to push it back and more force to push it back to me, but also to stop it. Now, just for why not, let's add more mass, another 35-pound kettlebell. Now that takes more mass to accelerate.
Harder to stop.
Harder to stop, harder to accelerate. But why is this important for this law of motion? Well, the law of force and acceleration also states that the greater the amount of mass, the more force you'll have to accelerate said object. I hope this helps you learn a little bit more about Newton's second law. Or maybe you could just try out something like this yourself. Thank you. Sir Isaac Newton was a famous mathematician and physicist in England in the 1600s. He's known not only for being a physicist and a mathematician, but also coming up with the three laws of motion: the law of inertia, the law of force and acceleration, and the law of action-reaction, also known as Newton's first, second, and third law. Today we will be focusing on his second law, the law of acceleration and force. Wait, was that it? Sir Isaac Newton was known as an English physicist and mathematician, famously around the world in the 1600s. He was known for three things: the law of inertia, the law of force and acceleration, and the law of action-reaction, also known as Newton's first, second, and third law. Today we will be focusing. Okay. This video was brought to you by Mom and Olivia Fiddler Productions. Erica Fiddler, aka Mom, as the camera woman, Olivia as the editor, director, and actor for this segment of our show. Thank you for watching, and I'm not going to do this ever again. Bye!